Coffee cup's too big. It's heavy. I have to get me a smaller cup. Yeah, good morning all. Let's see, what is this, Thursday? And I guess we've been here a little over a week. Finally, in the last couple of days, we've got some pretty good rain. So, as you can see, they lifted the fire restrictions. And been a couple of fire patrols running up and down the road. They say, oh, they got a report of a tree falling over the road, but they said they drove way up there and turned around and come back, didn't see any trees on the road. So they're just checking, I think. They just want to see who's got fires and who doesn't. That's fine. They can check me all they want. Wouldn't be the first time I've been checked. So, anyway, Alan's still sleeping over there. It's pretty early yet, so he usually gets up around 7 o'clock, I guess. I've been up since about 3. One of those nights, just can't sleep. So, figured I'd get out here and get some coffee chat going, and little update. Let's see, what did we do? Yesterday we went into the little town that we're by and found a cafe, and but we had a really good breakfast. You know, eggs and chicken fried steak and eggs and hash browns, and I was miserable for about 2 hours after that. I ate so much. Sure was good though. And so I missed my kitty. I've been talking to the kitty sitter, and said that she's doing okay. She's just fine. But, she did not want to go camping, apparently. She was hissing and, swatting at me and growling and all that. Well, I tried to put her in the camper. I figured I'd just leave her there. So, like I said, I miss her. It's funny. You get used to certain animals in your life, you know, and I'll be over there in the camper and I'll hear a little noise and I'll look around expecting to see her. And she's not there, so it's kind of a weird feeling. We were going to try to have some fun with the camera today, I think. We were going to do it yesterday, and this time got away from us, and then the wind started in, and we got some rain. Well, we got thunder and lightning. I'm not sure if we got any rain or not. I took off and went back to the camper about 6 o'clock, I think, 5:30, 6 o'clock, and I just stayed there. Watched a couple of movies, and I went to bed. Probably why I got up so early is because I went to bed too early. So, anyway, everything's good. We're just kind of hanging out and talking and trying to have some fun. I haven't seen any big game yet. Lots of squirrels and chipmunks are running around, and the crows are finally starting to come around to see what we're doing. So that's kind of fun. Across the road over there, there's I think there's 5 or 6 big alien motherships over there. They just leave them there. You know, they come out, camp on the weekends, go back home till Friday again, then come back out. And they just leave them out there. I don't know. I read somewhere that you're not supposed to leave your stuff sitting around if you're not there. You're not supposed to leave it unattended, is what it says. But according to the rangers, they said, no, that's okay as long as you're gone within 2 weeks. So, whatever. So it's been kind of warm a little bit during the day, and then around 3 o'clock it gets, starts to cool off pretty good. So I'm sitting here with my sweater on. It's just a tiny bit nippy today. Desert rats, if it's below 70, it's just a little bit nippy. 50 degrees, we're miserable. So right now it's about 65 degrees, so it's supposed to be 79 today. I believe that's what it said. And no chance of rain until this evening, so that's pretty much the way the monsoons work in Arizona. Nice all day, a little on the warm side, sunny, and then around 3 o'clock in the afternoon or so they start rolling in. So I guess that's about it. We're going to try to do some cooking today maybe, and see how that comes out. A little fire. Got to have that little fire in the morning. I don't like very big fires. I just like the warmth of the small fire, you know. I've said that. I've preached that so many times, I'm tired of saying it now. All right, I think that's about it. I can't think of anything else to say this morning. Try to get some more up this afternoon. I thought I heard Alan over there, but I guess not. So we'll try to get some more filming done this afternoon, and I'll get this one up today and see what we got going for tomorrow. Weekend's coming, so I imagine the aliens are going to start coming. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot to put Wilson out here by the fire, so he's been complaining about rolling around in a camper a lot, so I guess I'll better get him out, him and his Princess Airhead and Pig Boy. I guess that's it. I'll talk to you later. If you'd like to help this channel, please use my Amazon links. It's under this video in the description area. You click on that link, it'll take you to my influencer page. There's some items there that I do use, that I purchased and used. If you don't find there on that page what you're looking for, then you can scroll back up to the search box, type in what you want, and that will take you to the full Amazon site. And from there, you can go and search whatever it is that you're looking for. It doesn't cost any more. By law, I need to tell you that I will make a small commission on it, but it doesn't cost you as the purchaser any more money. It's the same price that everybody else pays. So I'd appreciate if you could do something like that when you go, when you want to go to purchase something. Please use the Amazon link. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe and give me the thumbs up, and share with your friends and relatives, and that would be greatly appreciated. Comments are always appreciated. I try to get back to every single one of them when I can. Sometimes it's not right away, but I try to get back to every single one of them. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.